Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel behind the camera. Now today we are in Blind Lane in Warsop Trelawney and we are going to visit Miss Paulette. Alright, so stay with us and you'll see her in a little while. Please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we do a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go. Alright, and with us today also is one of Miss Paulette's son who would have appeared in the interview already, and Dwayne Gaza Hotspot channel. Right, so he's the person responsible for calling us in the first place, and so he's here to just escort us and assist us rather to go down to Miss Paulette today. All right, so you ready, Dwayne?
Yeah, man.
All right.
morning. Yourself once more, man.
Yeah, man. All right.
Man, I truly appreciate everything on our doing.
Yes, you're most welcome.
You know, make the blessings flow every time, you know.
Absolutely.
So,
absolutely. So you can go ahead and we follow.
That's good, you know. But you know.
Yeah. The last time we came, guys, the road was slippery because it had just rained, but today it's much better, so we're moving faster. And so we'd like to use this opportunity to say thanks to all our donors. We want to say special thanks to our donors who have sent us barrels, and so we are able to bring some food to Miss Paulette today.
Yeah, man. What if I thank the donors, man, who donate and who, you know, take them good heart way. God bless them with the help of person where in need, you know.
Yes, yes.
God return favors in many ways, so.
Right.
Good that this lady has done, me couldn't reach out to her, but you know, God bless you, know, what if I bless you?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, along the way, and limited blessing, man.
Yeah.
Pretty girl. Yeah, man. Fargo.
Can I run?
Miss Paulette,
Yes, Miss Michelle.
what you do?
Miss Michelle.
Oh,
Paulette,
Yes,
good morning.
good morning.
I win some.
In some, man.
Miss Paulette, what you do?
Last no can, yeah?
Yeah.
Miss Michelle, look at here.
Okay, me can come in?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, how are you do this morning? Hi.
Look at here.
Yeah. Clean, yeah, clean.
Oh, yeah. I'm his son that minutes.
Yeah, me know. Remember the last time we come and we did see him.
Some laugh.
When some laugh, when some happy.
Yeah. Oh, your mommy? Oh, your mother ain't good.
Yes.
You tell him what to do.
I will.
Right.
Alright, so Miss Paulette.
Yes, Miss Michelle.
Yes, so the last time we came we promised that we'd bring you some food items.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
So we brought you the food items.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
Right,
Thank
and
very much.
you are welcome. And we also brought you some Pampers for Winsome.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
Right, and some bed pads so you can spread them out on the bed so it don't get wet.
Yes, Miss Michelle.
Right.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Oh, you're a nice girl. Yeah.
So you're welcome.
What is the man, name again?
Oh, Marcel.
Oh, Marcel, what? Wagwan.
You're there, mommy.
Oh, yes, there.
Okay.
Man, you have to give Marcel a thumbs up too.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely. The groceries that we brought and the Pampers are from our donors who would have sent us barrels, and so we're able to bring you some items this morning.
All right, thank you very much. I'll big them up.
Yes, man, you can big them up, them I go hear you, Pandis.
Oh, yeah. All right. Yes. All right. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yes, come on next time again.
All right. So, Miss Paulette, we have one donor, you see?
Oh,
Who would
yes.
have sent some monetary donations, all right?
Yes, Miss Michelle.
She would have sent a monetary donation, so you can use it, to do what it is that you want to do with it. All right, so we want to say thanks to all our donors. God bless you, and may your storeroom, store basket never be empty.
Oh, yes, thank you very much. Yeah. Tell one next time again.
So that means must go on now. We must go on
No,
now.
anytime you're ready. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you doing today? I see you been down there, so when we come.
Oh, then I wipe out the house.
Oh, yeah, clean.
Yeah. My son help me good, Yeah.
Which one of them?
I mean the kitchen.
Oh, he's cooking. The one. Okay.
Oh, my son, big son, they just carry.
Oh, the one that carry the bag come down.
Yes, Miss Michelle. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We have some more sons,
Yes.
Yeah.
So you told me last time.
Oh, yeah.
But they're not there here now.
No, they're gonna work.
Okay.
One of them they here, one name, him name Nigel. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So how Winsome doing? See her over there playing?
Yeah, thank you, too bad, Miss Michelle.
She not too bad.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're not going to stay too long. This is a quick visit, just to do the drop off with you.
Yes, all right. So tell one next time again.
Yes, man, absolutely.
Yeah. Big up, I do one of them for me.
Yes.
Everybody. And thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Oh, yes.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much again. Thanks to all our donors. God bless you always. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it Likkle, Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
All right.